Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a miniature effect in your videos with the CapCut mobile. So what you need to do is just use an effect called tilt shift lens. So this technique is called tilt shift, but you can do it easily on CapCut just by using or applying the effects. So in here, after you select or import your videos into CapCut, you can just go straight to effects, click on the video effects, and then find the lens category, this one, and find the tilt shift lens. Okay, this one. So with this effect will makes your objects in a video looks like a miniature like this, and it will add like a blurry effects around the object. Here you can always adjust the range. Okay, for example, I'm going to lower the range to around 4, and here I'm going to adjust the blur 70, and adjust it like this. So you can just adjust it with the object on the video. You can also adjust the rotate. I'm going to go with 6. Here you can also adjust the color. I'm going to go with 100, and you can also add some filter. Okay, I'm going to go with maybe 60. Now you can just click on a check icon. So this is the video with the object, and let's see without the object. So it has a different effects to your objects in the video. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.